Wait, so it's not a squared plus the square root of a squared plus b squared? It is, isn't it? It's right there. A squared plus b squared, square root. A unique red triangle can always be formed from these two floats. So how come I get 2.23? What am I doing wrong? Map, float, input, split. Round C, comma 2. It does the same thing I'm doing. Bum 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 bum. Oh wait, what? How come it didn't print? It's using the same equation as... Anybody know what's going on? Anybody else here? I don't get it. And I'm curious to see who else is going to get it. Weird. The length of the third side, right? Given two sides of a right triangle represented by A and B, you must find C. Alright, I gotta go put bread in the oven. nobody's getting it, but what if it's like, isn't it, is that like the most optimal? Let's say this. In regard to your previous answer, what if... Wait, now just hold on just a minute. Square root of 8, oh. See if that works. Oh. Max min, that's cool. Okay, I didn't actually put my bread in the oven, but I gotta put it in the oven. Okay, that kind of got me warmed up. I love this, yeah. Pardon me. Oh yeah, the laser. Oh yeah, I forgot about the laser. Hold on. I forgot that's what was going on. So, Bum, 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 bum. So right here. So then we have this fixed projectile texture. So in text, okay, rotate texture. So what if we just take this and before we call rotate texture, because that one uses F-type. For now, we already have a copy of all this. Maybe we should... the texture, and then that. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, ba, bum, 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 ba, bum, ba, ba, bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum. So we want to start at this one. So hold on, GL. Where's GL point coord? How do you spell it? How do you... Right here. Okay, so this, what is this? GL point coord and texture? It's a vector 2, isn't it? Right there, GL point coord dot x. Why is it vector 2 right there? Totes and offset? Bum, 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 bum. I think it's this one. Let's go like this. Plus GL point coord times that. So there's that plus that, parentheses. Alright. And this is what now? Fixed projectile texture. Okay, incompatible types in initialization, line 179. Oh, what? Fixed projectile texture. Oh, because this wasn't designed to return a vector 4. So let's just... Oh, so we don't even need the rest of this. Let's just... Bum, 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 bum. What is that? Oh, that's the whole texture. Oh, right, because... Okay, so... So we need this. Okay, the problem with this... Oh, let me think. Bum, 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 bum. So it's this is the offset plus this, and that will give us the box that it's actually contained in. And that's what we have to work in, not the other. So the reason why is because up here when it's sampling, it's not using those coordinates, it's using these coordinates. So what we want to do is within that box, that 300 by 300, we have to put it in that box and then apply this inside that box. So the offset here, so the offset to get to the box is going to be here. Vector 2, xf times that, yf times that, plus point coord. Okay, so this is the offset right here. So yf times this. So it's this vector 2. So the offset is going to be this. So then we're also going to have to go, because this is the offset. Let's just go vector to laser start. Or let's just put laser offset equals. And let's undo that paste. Whoops. Redo all that. I have to, alright. Okay, there's the laser offset. Okay. So just to get to the 0 point, it's hurting my brain, it's hurting my brain. So it's actually not 0.333. Okay, hold on. Yeah. So it's going to be laser offset plus, and then this applies an offset as well, but this applies the offset given the box that was 0 to 1. But the box that we're working in is actually these sizes right here. So the X, in the X direction it's 1/7, and in the Y direction it's 1/9. Alright. So we want to take this and multiply it by, oh. And then the GL point chord we want to multiply by that as well in addition to this. Okay. So we just want to multiply, okay, but this will stand as it is. Okay, so then we want to do a vector 2. What can we call it? We can just call it a texture, what's the word for it? Texture ratio. So vector 2, and we already have the variables here. Are those good though? Those aren't good variables, are they? XF and YF are right here. So let's take these out of there and let's put them right there. Are they going to be available globally now? I don't think so. Oh, we need to put them up here. Alright, that's fine. Hold on. Okay, I think that'll work. That'll work, but then we shouldn't pay attention to the squigglies. The computer has no idea what I'm doing. So we don't need those there because they're the same. And we took them out of there. Okay, and then this stuff, alright. Fix projectile texture, the texture. Laser offset equals that. Okay, texture ratio. Okay, that works. So then laser offset equals this, and then we're just going to go, let's call it text ratio times the vector 2 there plus GL point chord times, okay, and then we want text ratio here as well times the GL point chord there. Will that do it? I don't know. Come on. Oh, that does do it. Okay, it doesn't rotate it. And it doesn't apply the, okay, so, but what does this do? Oh, it does have the discard. Okay, so now, can we throw it into here now? In text, rotate scale, in offset. Actually, I think all we need to do is... Well, we're not even sending it a rotation because we're not calculating a rotation yet and sending it in, so... Okay, yeah, this is a little bit of a distraction that's going to take me some time to figure out. Let's put it down here. I mean, we'll probably put it in, but for now I'm going to just put it down there because I don't want it to be too much of a distraction anymore. The bread is starting to smell good. Okay, what was I doing? I mean, right here, what was I doing? Oh yeah, I was going to look at the last. So Space Gem's updated that and shaders, borrowed laser shader code, nothing. Okay. So if I move on to the next one, we can leave all these as is. Added texture for planets. Okay, so let's go back. First of all, let's move this up to 219. Saving it, 219. Okay. We're moving it up. Remove. Source files, add, existing, 219, boom. You can tell I'm pretty chill tonight. Okay, so 219, so here we are. This is kind of non-stream. I'm just kind of getting ready for the next stream. And by that I mean, excuse me, on my day off last week I had 6 hours, four separate streams. And that was really good progress, and I'm thinking with enough caffeine and excitement, I can do that again. So there's this. So we're going to main space gems 219. Reverting to previous state without laser pew pew stuff. I love the pew pew, don't get me wrong. However, excuse me, so when we go back to here, sorry about that, class planets, oh, is that the one that we need to revert? Or, so confused. So 230, 135, recycle super shapes done, 135. Did I further modify this? Shoot, son of a bean dip, I don't think I did much. Okay, so space planets, borrow laser shader code. The only thing I changed, okay, I gotta remember this now. But let's go forward. Yeah, it was right here. This was it. Okay, so save as 136. Okay. Class planets 136. Reverting. The laser. Okay, so that's cool. So the only thing I changed was this right here, and what this used to be instead of 76, yeah. So because it was type 9. So what were we doing before? We could just take this out. We were doing 8, wasn't it? Or no, we were doing a flower, 1 through 6. Okay. So we can even leave this in, and that's fine, and leave the function here, and leave the other stuff here, but we don't need to. We could easily just go back to 117. Let's look at 117 real quick. Space, planets, 117 FS. Did we have this stuff in here? Flower, crystal, main, texture, the text. Okay, so we did have the texture stuff in here for the planets, right? So class 136. Save that. Do class inits. What we're looking for is the planets, space planets, 118. So if we go back to 117 in this one. Because if that's the case, I'll just copy 17 to 19. And we're going with 136. Let's make sure that's correct. Okay, now let's see if we broke anything. Pardon me, if you heard that. I don't know if that was audible fart or not, but I did fart. Okay. Oh, look, everything's great. Perfect. But we don't have a we don't have a because of this. Okay. So really we need this to be, what was it before? 1 through 6, or what was it? Class planets 136. So we need to go back to probably 134. 134. And just to look, what line are we at? 592, and this is not in P recycle, is it? Or initialize projectile weapon. Hold on, 592. Let's just go down there. 500. It's about right here. So 825, 3. 825, 3. And then the only other spot we need this is Y76. That's not. That was messed up too. So this is partially that's part of the reason why also I'm reverting, because that's, yeah. Moving on. So where's the other spot that we do this? What function is this? Init data. So it's got to be update data. It's got to be update data. Because after the fire, then this and everything, and then the GST here. Can I paste it in here as well, or have I already screwed that up? Right. There we go. Bada boom, bada bing. 36. Okay. 36, reverting the laser back to swirly, flowery thing. Okay, that was a little bit of work because I did mess myself up, but that's okay. Space Planet 118. So we're back to 117. And then what we should do with these is save those for a later time. Let's open space planets 117.vs, save as space planets 119. Okay, open space planets 117.fs, file save as 119. Go back into here. Do class inits. That's not where I was meaning to go, but here. So space planets is right here. We're going up to 119 now. Effectively skipping 18. Moving on. Did we break anything? Highly doubt it. Cool. Okay. Oh, let's see. So let's go V so I can take a screenshot. See if that shows up. Oh wait, I didn't even check. Hold on. Does it still do the flower? I didn't even check the. It doesn't. It doesn't fire the flower. Why not? So planets, reset projectile. init data. Right here, 8, 25, 3. Oh wait, why is it 8? Because the 8 is right into the texture. We wanted 1 through 6. Oh, that's when we were trying. Because don't we want like a random 1 through 6? Hold on, I know we want like 6. So that's init data. But I think what we could do is let's go down to 6 there. Nope, still not working. We're not getting it. It is firing out though, but it's not showing it. Weird. So, oh, is that because I just changed 134 and not 136? You can tell I'm in a much better mood these days. Okay, where's update data? I gotta check on my bread. Okay, I can eat my bread and then do another set of exercise here. So we're not getting... Why is it not displaying? That's so bizarre. So ship fire falls projectile. Okay, so what's going on here? Space planets. We're in 219. This is space planets 119, which is right here. If the grid type Y is less than 7, then it's flower 3. Grid type Y, right? But why? X and Z, so Z is the type, yeah. So 6, for example, is that one of these? Isn't that one of these? See right up here and everything? It should just work. Twist type, right? Cube grid. Float twist type, grid type dot Y. Of course it gets sent in down here. So it is just grid type dot Y, comma 1, whatever. Vector 4, flower 3, dim mult. Dim mult, the site of drawing lines or points. Dim mult equals show GUI. Oh, if it's less than... Seven, 8. Huh, I really am just wondering why it's not showing that. Like, what is this SI? What is this SI in here? And let's check the init data. See right here, ship index. Oh, ship I. PLMN index plus 16. Oh, color. Oh my gosh, color, Jeff, color. Okay, so that's cool. So let's start out. Let's start out choosing a random color and choosing a random up to 6 for the type. And it's, or is that the grid? No, it's 1 through 6, and then that's the size and the type. Okay, so let's leave that alone. So let's do this. Inside this class, super shape, texture, ship's weapon, right here. So let's go GLM vector 3, and we'll call it ship weapon color. Okay. And then we're also going to go GL float ship weapon grid. Okay. So then when we go to init data, computer, get rid of those red squigglies. So when we go to init data and we come down here, when it gets to the ship color, let's just go like this. Ship weapon color equals GLM vector 3 get to. Oh, you're funny. Computer, you are funny. There. So then when we set this equal, we'll just set this equal to ship weapon color. And then when we do the update, we'll do the same thing. But also we're going to go right here, we're going to go ship weapon grid equals GL float. We're going to do a random 6. So it'll go 0 to 6. Now is that in the shader? Is that going to break anything if it's 0? If grid type is, should it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, hold up, up. There we go. So now we have to go like this though, because we have to add, oh wait, we can just, it's a float, so you can add 1 later. There you go. So then right here, we're just going to go ship weapon grid. There we go. All right. So then right here, we're not going to reinitialize. Let's just take this over to the update function. I know we're going to get rid of that. Everybody just calm down. Calm down. Where is it? Right here? Right here? Reset projectile. Color. Oh, so how come it wasn't resetting it to the right color? Uh-oh, we might be in trouble. Might be in trouble. Ship I? Uh-oh. So SI, is that the correct? Oh, PLMN2 SI2D. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Alright, freaking out. SI. Projectile SI. Oh, SI is kept. Okay. Alright, right there. Alright, whatever. Moving on. Moving on. Moving on. Oh. Did it work? Oh. It's got something going on. But what is going on? Is that a... Now it's dark again. Because it made a collision and then it reset it. So let's keep doing the collisions and see if we can get... Does it? No? Is it? I've broken it. Definitely broken it. Well, we've got 11. We have this. Alright, so I broke it. Interesting. Welcome to the stream. I broke my game. Alright, so that's funny. Still a good screenshot. Yeah, I don't know. Or wait, what is this? What do you... Reset projectile? Jeff, this is... Son of a bean dip. Well, no wonder. Did you not pay attention, Jeff, to what you were just doing? Just doing. Missed it. Oh. Okay, so did we even update init data? What are you even doing with your life anymore? Oh, there it is. Oh. Oh. Ah. Okay. All right, I don't recall anything prior to this. Who am I? Oh, now it looks like it might be. What is it doing? I can't even tell what it's doing. We should just release it like this and have people guess what the weapon is. What in the heck is that ship firing? It looks like a projectile of some kind. But good lord, we don't know. I know. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Yeah, we definitely need to work on this weapon. I have no idea what's going on with it. No idea. All I know is fresh bread is about to be done. That's it. That's all I know. And it's too late. So it's supposed to be random color, random grid, and then the type is... Wait a minute, why is it random grid there? Hold on. Because X, wait. Oh, you're doing it wrong. We can do a random grid too, that's fine, actually. But let's go back to over here. So this was 8 before, I think? Okay. Where's the other update before my bread pops out of the oven here? So then we'll move this right to there. So then we want this, take this with us down here. Isn't there another spot where it does it right here? Yeah. Oh, there we go. I say you fixed it. And every time a player starts the game, it's going to be different. Different color, different design. Okay, cool, for the weapon. Kaboom! Oh, that's cool. Alright, I'm liking that. It's a different flower every time. That's a little bit... Well, for me as the programmer, that's cool. I don't know if the players would like that. But as the programmer, I get to see something different every time now. So there you go. Alright, well I kind of fixed it. I gotta go eat bread. Hey, what's up? Hey, Sunfire! Dude! What's happening? JFresh401 Gaming, how's it going? Sorry guys, I don't monitor my chat. My second monitor broke and I gotta buy a cheap one when my next day off and just have chat on my second monitor because I miss being able to see people and I miss raids and stuff. But Sunfire, good to see you, man. Haven't seen you in a long time. I was gonna go get bread out of my out of the oven there. How you doing? Is that a good... That should be a good screenshot for the video. Why not? Let's not put it in that directory. Let's put it in this one. Okay, let's call this May 27, 2023. There we go. All good. I'm okay. I had a bit of rough health and stuff, but okay-ish now. Cool. Well, that's good. I'm doing well. I've changed jobs. I was in security for 4 months, and I changed jobs. I am now employee dining room. Oh, hold on. My bread is beeping. I got to go grab it out of the oven. I'm not going to end stream. Hold on. I'll chat for just a little bit. Yeah, so yeah, I'm an employee dining room attendant now, so I'm kind of like the break room guy. And yeah, here, let's do this. Pop out the chat. Woohoo! There we go. So then we can put chat like over there. And Visual Studio kind of over here. See, this is why I don't monitor chat. But yeah, so it's really cool. I'm really and it's actually a really slow-paced job. But the way it's working is I'm part of the F&B team now. So they have a dish pit with dishwashers and the prep cook area with prep cooks, but they're really short-staffed when I came on board. So they kind of trained me a little bit on the prep cook stuff. So I've been prepping food, and then they trained me on the dish pit, which is really cool too. But my main duties are kind of off on the little EDR island, as the guy described it, which is cool because I just go in there and it's kind of crappy now because they just serve us they give us cold sandwiches in bags that are pre-bought, and yeah, they kind of suck because you look at the nutritional content of these sandwiches and it's like, why are you serving this to your employees? You know, they're just really crappy sandwiches with like super high sodium, super high cholesterol, and they're just, frankly, they're disgusting. And I go to the local Subway and I take a Subway sandwich to work, and people are just like, "Aren't you serving us these sandwiches?" I'm like, "Yeah, but I don't eat them." You know, so I feel kind of lousy in that regard, but. But since they've been able to add me to the staff now, hopefully they'll get more hot food like they used to have before. The whole reason why they're serving the bag sandwiches is because of the pandemic lockdown, which happened what, 2.5 years ago, 2 years ago. So I think we can move on and go back to hot food, is my opinion of it. So I hope that they do that because the employees would be happier. And when the Mother's Day buffet happened and then emptied out into the EDR, I was able to serve hot food. Had a great time. My first few days at work, it was crazy. So yeah, my back's kind of giving me some trouble, but I hope it's just my pillow, because I don't really seem to have too much of a. If we kill them swiftly, we don't have to pay any medical costs under health insurance. Oh, it's crazy. It's really crazy. Yeah. But yeah. So I'm kind of petitioning the guy, the what is it, the food and beverage director, to see if he can give me like, even if he can give me something cheap like a rice cooker or something in there, because we have the other food venue that just does burgers and stuff, but they upgraded and gave him a rice cooker. So they have like rice with like salmon from the river, that because I'm part of the Quinault tribe, which does the Quinault River salmon, and it's just really cool. But anyways, yeah. It's a whole big old long story. So yeah, and that started just a few weeks ago. This is my second week because I started. Let's see, this is my second week. what's today? Saturday? Yeah, but I've been working since Wednesday. So I worked all last week, and then I only worked Friday, Saturday, Sunday before. So this is since the 12th. That's when I switched over from security. Yeah. Security has a few things that they do that I really never want to do again, but it's a really good crew and it's nice, you know, it's nice exercise and everything that got me in shape and I lost some weight and but the medicals, when you get called on the medicals and when you get called into like breaking up a fight or cutting somebody off of alcohol or something, because I work at a casino, so yeah. Anyways, so wow, Sunfire, great to see you. And I assume that I haven't seen you stream because it's probably our time. I never see you on anymore streaming, probably because of our time difference or whatever. And I'm not up all night anymore, so like this is my bedtime. I literally have to get off here, floss, brush, and jump in the shower, and then I imagine that being stressful. Yeah, it's different. I'm just basically the cleanup guy in the EDR. So I jump into the EDR and I do whatever needs to be done. Take out the garbage, mop the floor, sweep the floor. And I'm currently on a deep cleaning schedule that I made myself. There's nobody telling me what to do, which is really nice. And then when I go into help in F&B, everybody's just like, "Oh my God, you're so great for helping out," because nobody's telling me to help out really. I haven't been streaming for a while due to health. It's been months. Oh, okay. All right. Well, shoot. Hoping to start again soon, but not rushing. Yeah, don't rush it. You know, just like you said, you got your new computer. That's awesome. Go ahead and enjoy that. I just actually am straightening out my finances. So here shortly, I'm probably going to get a new computer or fix the computer I got out in the front room or sell it or whatever, because I'm able to borrow against my 401k and my car in a nutshell, I'm going to save 420 a month from my car payment because I'm going to pay that off, and I'm just going to have to pay this 150 a month on the 401k. Then I'm just going to be able to pay that back really quickly rather than this whole schedule they got for me. So, but yeah, so I'm going to probably invest in a new computer and probably right away a second monitor. Oh, that'd be a good thing. Yeah, it's meant I'm able to do a bunch of extra YouTube videos and stuff, which is nice. Oh, cool. Go check it out. I know I'm subscribed to your YouTube, but I haven't looked. Ah, look at this, one every day, dude. Cool. Bananarama, the Obsidian, or oh, dude, cool. I gotta get caught up on this. Okay, let me look. Let me at least start this up so it'll be in my. No, I just been on it myself. So it'll be in my YouTube history now, and I can watch that. Where's the pop-up? There it is. Dude, cool, yeah. Uh-oh, what are we doing? There we go. Where's the... I gotta manage this stuff better. So anyways, yeah. Oh, I'm so glad bread's out of the oven. Well, I hope your health gets better or more manageable or however that works with your pain. And kind of the same for my back too, because it has that feeling like when I get up, it's like it could all fall apart. Yeah, I don't know if you're familiar with that kind of a feeling, but it's like, oh God, I need to probably have somebody look at my back or whatever. But hopefully because I swapped my pillow out, I swapped it back, so hopefully that's just the only thing that was causing the issue or something. I don't know. It's good. I see a leaf. Yeah. So what I did was I went back to the Space Trader game. I was trying to do the shooter, and I tried to list it on Steam, and they rejected it because, of course, I didn't have enough content for it and some other stuff. And I was just like, okay, that's cool, you know, because I still have the store page that I bought. And I figured I would integrate it into the Space Trader. So the Space Trader is going to start out like this. The story is going to be you're banished to a far side of the galaxy for a debt that you owe or something like that. and then you're gonna build up. You're gonna build up your like I don't have crafting that the player does per se, but after you get 10 flowers or swirls, it opens up a technology here, and once you get the crystals, it opens up another technology, which is going to be the mini map, and I'm going to take that from, see, that's another technology here. And then once you get the super shapes, that's another technology yet again. And that's going to be the hyperspace, which will allow, and the mini-map is going to allow you to see the planets, and then the hyperspace will allow you to go there. And then this technology is going to allow you to beam down. It's a teleporter. It allows you to beam down to the planets. And if I can show you real quick, it was really weird when I put this into the, is it here or where is it at? I think it's in thumbnails. Thumbnail faves, is it in here? Or no, it's in downloads. Because what I did was I put it into the Leonardo as a Star Trek kind of a thing, and it kind of made this character look like a couple of the Star Trek characters, like Spock and somebody else merged together or something. It's really weird. But yeah, these are AI generated images, and I just thought that's really cool, so I put them into the game, even though I shrunk them down and stuff. So these are some other AI interesting art images. You know, I noticed there's little dark characters throughout the AI stuff. See, like dark characters and stuff, although those could be birds, but like this one has a dark character doing stuff down here and some dark fence posts slash characters. So I don't know, this AI is kind of weird. It's kind of weird. But anyways, yeah, so I'm going to work on this, and then I'm going to get back to the, whoops, where are we at? Let's get the inventory there. And then we'll do, of course, the voxel world still. I want to do that. And I figured out that this is working on my computer. And I figured out I made peace with the IM GUI. It's over here. I'm still not sure I'm going to use it. Because if you notice when I do the inventory, or you might not notice. Let's go back here. Because this text is not from IM GUI. It's from a different library, which is easier to use. And so I can make my own GUI, you know, just like clickable things and everything. So, but anyways, that's what I'm doing with the game. Hoping to start again soon. It's been oh yeah, haha. Yep, had a bunch of muscles in back and muscle ping due to chronic pain causing tensing all the time. Currently on heavy muscle relaxants to help with that. I hope your back is able to recover soon. Yeah, I think it's just muscle. And I work out. Like I just did some workout tonight. And I'm going to eat some bread and then do a little workout again before bed. So, but dude, great to chat with you. So awesome. Yeah, I was out of work just trying to do the game dev thing for 6 months, and I really shouldn't have been out of work. I should have went back to work and not incurred a debt. But live and learn, and at least I have that wiggle room because I have all my ducks in a row at this age to be able to take that chance. And pretty soon I'll have even more ducks in a row, and I'll take another chance, and it'll work. So, anyways, I'm gonna get off here, and I'm gonna go enjoy some hot bread, and then talk myself into working out and getting ready for bed with a shower and all that fun stuff. So, yes, good to catch up. I've been somewhat MIA for a while, existing only in videos. Are you still working? Are you still working at your job as a teacher, isn't it? That's great news. But yeah, I hope you're still able to work and stuff. That would be cool. And I am, but had to drop down in hours a little. Finally listened to the hospital. Oh, okay. Well, that's fine too. You know, part-time is good too. I've thought about going back to part-time. It's that time of year where summer's coming up and all the hotels know they're going to be busy. A couple of them are hiring for part-time right now, and I've thought about it because I've done hotel for like 20 plus years. But I'm having a good time at the casino doing the EDR food prep dish pit help thing. Because I'm a clean bug, it turns out. And when I was in security, there was a lot of walking around, um, and I found that just waiting for stuff to happen really kind of takes a toll on your mental state when you're at work. Because I'm on my feet more, and I thought my feet were the problem, but I'm on my feet more, and because I'm always have something to do or somebody to help, the day just flies by. And I work with a great crew back there in the F&B. They always got music going, and music helps and everything. It's a much better job for me. So I hope that cutting the hours back at work puts you in that sweet spot. But yeah, I'm trying to manage my back with trying to build my muscles in my back. Oh, I'm kind of just talking off in stream of consciousness. So, but anyways, have a good night, day, whatever time zone you're in. I guess you're in the other side of the world. For me, it's nighttime, about to be sunrise, so I gotta head to bed before the sun gets too bright. Yeah, it is a good team, and because I know kind of what happened with the last EDR guy. Didn't work out, but they have an EDR gal in the morning, which is great. She gets everything all set up so that all I have to do is just, you know, oh yeah, well thanks for popping in and saying hi. I really, really, really appreciate seeing you, man. Excuse me, I try to stream around this time, maybe anywhere between 4 hours from 4 hours ago this time, so like midnight my time, anywhere in there between midnight and 4. And then on my days off, I try to stream. This last time, I actually put 6 hours into my game. That's why I got it up to the point where I got it. And um, I just gotta get it to a demo state, and then release a crappy demo, and then get feedback from people, see what they want to do, what they think is fun, what they think is stupid, and hear about that. And this guy that I follow on Twitch, Pirate Software, he's like, just that's the idea behind game jams. You build a game really quickly, you find out what your failure is, and then you just keep getting better. You improve, you release it again, you find out what you failed at, you improve it, and you get better and better and better. Then you have a viable product, and it's the game dev behind the scenes. That's what all game devs go through, and I'm a solo game dev, so. But anyways, yeah, I better get off here before it gets too late. Oh, great to see you, man. Great to see you. I'm not gonna raid or nothing. Let's see. Let's close that there. Great to chat with you. I gotta get caught up with your YouTube videos here too while I eat my food. All right. Thank you, Sunfire. Much love. Glad to see you. Take it easy. Keep dealing with everything you're dealing with. And have a good night, man.